One of my favorite dishes is the thin pork chops. These little guys right here.
They're quick cooking.
Yeah, they cook very, very quick. You can smother them. You can do all kinds of things with them. Today we're just gonna, we lightly season them, and then we're, got them in a skillet. And today,
good old cast iron skillet.
and today what we're gonna do is we're gonna do them with some balsamic shallots. Salt and white pepper.
Yeah.
Okay.
Season up this side?
Yeah, let's season that side up.
Okay. Did you dredge them with a little of this Wondery stuff?
Yes, I did.
I love Wonder. So back in the day, right?
I do too.
Yeah?
I do too.
Yeah. You want to take those guys out?
We're going to take these out. Here's what we're going to do. We're going to add some butter.
Add some butter.
Add
Throw
all
in
of the shallots.
Gotcha. Couple of fat shallots, some garlic, Em?
Yep. So once the shallots caramelize.
That's this guy
right
here.
there.
Yeah.
Now we're going to add the balsamic vinegar.
Okay.
We want to add half a cup. It seems like a lot. The great thing about balsamic vinegar is that you have this evaporation, and then you have this concentration and flavor. And that's what's happening right now. Can you all smell that already?
Is that good, Em?
Yeah, that's perfect.
Oh.
A little bit of your stock.
A little bit of stock.
And we want it to reduce. We want it to reduce out and just cook. When it gets to the consistency where it almost can coat a spoon.
Yeah, like this guy here.
Like this guy here. See that?
Like that, beautiful.
What I like to do now is I want to baste them.
Beautiful.
I want to baste them, and then I'm going to add the rosemary. Okay? And that's the thing about using fresh herbs, particularly something like rosemary, because this aromatics, right, is just, I mean, look at this.
Look at those.
Right?
Shut up.
Yeah, that's...
They're so simple. Emeril, they're gorgeous.
Right?
Gorgeous and so simple.
So you add the rosemary last, let it cook. It's going to get perfumed right away. And then when we're ready, we're going to take them out.
Oh.
Yep.
Gorgeous.
Right on a little platter. So now if you baste that, while you're doing that, Rach.
Yeah.
What I did is I did some egg noodles.
I love egg noodles.
I do too. I do too. And it's great with these thin cut pork chops. So I did some egg noodles. And then on a recent trip, I was in Rome. I took the kids to Rome.
Nice.
And you know, this broccoli, it's the craziest thing how they just do it with Parmesan cheese.
Tons
and
of
garlic.
Cheese. So good.
Right? And they kind of cook it down a little bit and smash it. So we have the chops. Oh,
so
yeah.
Just chaps.
We have the chops. We have
tons of broccoli with tons of Parmigiano.
Yep. And then we just garnish it with a little bit of rosemary.